Bao Zhu Zhao Fu featuring Bonus Boost. Welcome back to our channel, folks. We found this rocket firecracker game pretty loaded up. So we thought, let's throw a 20 in it. See what we can do. So I have Robert loading 20 in there. Thank you, Robert.
That's 88 cents a spin.
Okay, let's hit it, Rob.
At the penny denomination, 1 cent. Penny denomination, 88 cents a spin. Here we go.
Okay, now we're looking for line pays.
Do we have a volume on this? Awfully quiet.
There we go.
There we go.
Perfect. Okay.
Now we can hear it. Okay.
We're looking for line hits or the rockets to land.
Yep. Hopefully we'll see some green rockets land. See that bonus come up.
There we go. There's one. Okay,
Like
nothing happened.
Bonus game on it.
So we're looking for those tails of firecrackers to really light off.
Yep.
Not yet.
Not yet.
And ideally, we'll get one of each color and all of them will trip up at the same time. Come on, blue.
You would hope.
Well, yeah, that is the hope. Come on, green. Nope.
Nope, not yet. Almost. Come on, let's see something hit.
Okay, little
Let's
hit.
see something nice happen.
How about something special?
Something special, something.
There we go. Oh, nothing yet. Blue. Oh.
Yeah. Giving it a try though.
Green. No, but we did get a good like it.
Yeah.
Very nice.
640. That'll help
Keeping
us.
us back alive. Let's
Give us a few more
go.
spins. Yep.
Mini. Drop it all. Oh my goodness. My heart is broken.
We were hoping.
That would have been a perfect time to drop. Come on, green. Nope.
Yeah.
Let's hit it.
Nope, not yet.
Okay.
We're trying though.
Double. Nope.
Nope, not yet. Again.
Blue. Oh, come on, blue.
Blue's trying. It's a race between blue, red, and green.
Oh, very nice. Got the aces.
Yep, that's 485. That'll help.
Very
us out a little
nice.
bit. Still looking for the rockets to set off the bonus game.
Got aces again.
Hopefully
Very
set
nice.
all of them off. That would be a lot of fun to see. A lot of fun to play.
I think the very first time we played this, we got a triple pop.
Yeah.
And got it like right away. It was so exciting.
A lot of fun.
But we didn't have, we weren't filming at that time yet.
There's blue again.
Come on.
Yeah. Looking for something to happen.
Do it with the mini. Aww. Hit him.
Nope, still nothing.
Oh, this game is so frustrating. I know they're just graphics, but you know.
Yeah.
Because I've seen it hit an empty stack before and go all the way to the top. So you can't really tell.
Yeah, we're getting down there on the credits, so we don't have that much longer to try for the bonus, but we are giving it a try.
Come on now.
Give us some luck. Give us some hope. There's a big one. No.
Nothing.
Let us know if you've played this game before. If you have, let us know how it worked out for you. We'd love to know. Also like to thank everybody for joining us.
Oh, it didn't go.
Not yet. Last spin.
Come on, Red.
Nope. And that is
Boy,
it.
Red couldn't even do it. Well, thanks for joining us on this part of our journey, folks. We will leave this beautiful stack for somebody else to pop. We'll see you the next time we're out. Have a good night.